Well, good morning everybody. 20 past 6 in the morning. Nice brisk weather. Looks like it's going to be a beautiful sunny day, cloudless sky. And today I am going to take my new drone, which I have flown 3 times. I've had it about 2 weeks. And I've been learning how to fly it, watching all the YouTube videos, and I have already made one video which you may have already seen. And so today it'll be the first day I've ventured out from my home where I made the first drone video. First time I've gone out from my home out into the wide world to fly the drone. And I'm going to go to Hinze Dam, the View Cafe. It actually doesn't open till 9 AM. And let's see, the GPS says, what does it say, 22 kilometres, 25 minutes. So I should get there around about 7, just before 7. And hopefully no one will be there, so I won't disturb anybody. Just make sure this camera's not tilted too far forward. Hard to know sometimes. Yep, still working. That's still working, that's good. Okay, so the drone, I've had it 2 weeks and I got it for a birthday present. I was very not sure about it, very dubious, should I buy it? And anyway, cut a long story short, I did. And clincher was my daughter and her husband, my son-in-law, and he got a drone, the same drone, for Father's Day. So I've got a DJI, who hasn't, everyone has. So it's a DJI Mini 3 Pro. And I got it with the, I bought the kit that goes with it to give you the extra batteries, carry bag, a few other bits and bobs, I can't remember. You definitely need the extra batteries because they say that you're going to get around about 34 minutes flying time with the battery. Well, I don't think that's right. And of course I like to fly on 4K because it gives better quality, better picture quality, and I think I get around about, I don't know, maybe 25 minutes. So you definitely need the spare battery if you're going to do a lot of flying. And Hinze Dam is our destination. You can see over there on the sign, Hinze Dam. And the View Cafe is right at the dam. Very pleasant, very nice, good coffee, good scones and jam and cream, but it doesn't open till 9 AM like I said earlier, so hopefully there'll be no one there. Movie filming, open, slow down, gee. But here I was thinking I'm going to be all by myself and they've got movie theatre going on. Oh, look at the dam, she's still overflowing. So maybe, just maybe, my plan to be up here all by myself is going to be scarpered. Yeah, it looks like it. Yes. Thank you for your patience. Filming in progress. Well,
you can fit in there, can't you?
Yeah, I can, but I don't think I'll stay. I didn't realise there was filming going on, so...
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's alright.
But the car parks are open for you.
What about down the bottom of the dam? Are you filming?
Yes, we're not even down.
I'll go down there. Thank you very much for your help. Well, there you go. I don't know what they're filming, but that lovely lady there was very pleasant. So I won't be flying the drone here right at the top of the dam, but I can certainly go down the bottom of the dam and fly it. And I'll do that. Wonder what they're filming. Should have asked the lady, I never thought about that, but never mind. Okay, so they're not filming down the bottom, and that's great. I can go down there. Okay, so we're at the bottom of the dam.